To Nirvana, running pockets proper, we create our own karma. Elbow, I don't know you know it's side soldier.
Okay, so we made it to Murphy's, and as you guys can tell by the sound, shit's pretty packed. I actually had to park all the way over here, and the meat's all the way over there. So let's hope the cops don't come in 5 minutes.
One wheel? That's not one wheel. Everybody's doing one wheel. What the
Yo, it is so convenient that there is another meet right down the road from me. I'm literally walking there right now. It looks pretty deep. I see people doing donuts and I see smoke, so hopefully this is the meet.
Definition of living dead. Got a dead bitch giving head. Two flowers growing on my bed. Brush some blood settle on my leg. Broken soul, but I'm breaking bread. Head dreaded, boy from Wagon Man. Geeky palace shirt up on the swinger like a helicopter. Got it covered in this chopper, spitting out the yappers. Got the drama with the llama. I could get you to Nirvana, running pockets proper. We create our own karma. The elbow, I don't know you know it's side soldier.
Alright, so I guess that's gonna conclude the meet for tonight. I'm gonna go home, edit this video. I hope you guys like it. It definitely was an interesting video. A lot of burnouts and a lot of trucks. I'll title this video, Trucks Gone Wild. Make sure you guys hit the like, sub, and share button. More videos coming to you next Saturday.